Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Messenger. Here we go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger and you will click. Then here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. And you can go also here to permissions to check if all these permissions are allowed like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.